Definitely, you are not wired to see the imbued of glory of God in me. So, I am not bothered. All I know is my dressing well definitely going to make you to go to hell because you don't want to understand that I am not in your category of those that only know how to prepare indomie. In a spiritual realm, if you understand this word is so powerful. For you need to mix up with those that understand the glory, the grace that you carry. In a function, it takes only those that know what you carry to highly. So when they recognize you, they know that this is the one of the people that carries what they carry. So stop mixing up with those that does not understand what you carry. It kills. Seriously, it kills more than virus. The reason is this: Mary understand what she carry, and she meets Elizabeth that also carry the same grace that he carries. Both of them, the baby in the womb begin to speak in a very multiple languages that is only the Holy Spirit that can interpret. So my dressing well definitely going to make you go to hell because I can't explain. It's a Burberry season, so it's not my fault that if you don't like it, allow yourself to the spirit of vulture to put you in a ball headed, because this is a Burberry season as far as I'm concerned.